Welcome back. So some of you may notice, and depending on what area of the world you live in, that when you go to a new car dealership and you look at the brake pads and rotors, and this is less likely on Mercedes, Jaguar, BMW, all the higher end cars, because they use a better material in the rotors. Everyone else uses the cheapest shit. That's that. Reprocessed iron. So if you look at my rotor pile here, you will see that these rotors, when they came off the car, did not look like this. And you can see what the humidity and the acid rain and everything else that's in the rain today in our region of the world does to the rotor. So don't be surprised if you do your brake job and you notice that you have surface rust all over there. This is quite normal. If it's just surface rust like that and the car hasn't been sitting for a long time, you will be okay. But I will heed my warning. If your car sits for a year in certain environments of the world, you will be replacing your brake pads and rotors again, because the rust starts to build up in high spots on the rotor and causing it to knock and click and make all types of grinding noises. So it's really not good to let your car sit in a humidity type environment, especially in South Jersey. So you can see what all of this has done to the rotors are here. And it's not all of them. Some of them, you know, aren't as bad, but you can see, look. It's crazy, right?